Hi, hello everyone. I'm Jayasuriya from Data Science and Business Analytics Intern at the Spark Foundation. My task 5 is explore the data analytics in sport data set. Okay, here I use Plotly Conflict CMON library. This library is a free and open source. It is very useful for visualizations. Okay, in this data set consists of a data about IPL matches. Okay, from year 2008 to 2019. The main objective of this project is find which teams win the most of the time in matches and which city conduct matches in most of the time. Who is the topmost player? Who is the good player of the IPL? And which team is the best successful team of the IPL? Which venue hosted matches is the most of the time? So all the things learned from this project. Okay, first of all, we are preparing the data set. After preparing the data set, you can use some data pre-processing method. What are the pre-processing method? Is a data cleaning process. I mean, suppose if you have your data set have null values, you can remove or fill null value and change, rename your column names and select the particular column. You can use this all the things in data pre-processing steps. Okay, in my data set here I use drop null method because in my data set have null values. Okay, first of all I imported some responsible library. After I load the data set, then check in basic informations of my data dot columns. This is give the basic information, that means what is the column name of data, and after that check the null value. If check the null values, if suppose you have null value, output is the sum of the values, otherwise output is a 0. Okay, in id is no null value, so 0. City have null value, so 7. Okay, in my data set have null value, so I remove the null value using drop null method. Okay, then I get the statistical report through the describe function. Okay, now I want to know how many season playing cricket. Okay, season means it's the IPL season. For example, IPL 2020, IPL 2019. These are the things IPL season. Okay, in unique method, remove the replica value. That means remove the duplicate values. Okay, in len function is the count of the season. Okay, totally 12 season playing cricket. Okay, still 2019. Okay, then extract year and month from the date columns. In my dataset have the date columns, but I want to extract the year and month separately. Okay, this is very helpful for my visualization. Okay, how can I do it? You can use date time index method. Through date time index method, I can easily separate date, year, month. Okay, in this data frame is very useful for my visualization because which years is context highest matches, that means highest group. Okay, for example, 2008 have 7 days of contact IPL matches, 2010 45 days, 2013 25 days, okay, etc. etc. Along with this data, you can easily visualize which years is mostly spent on the IPL. Okay, let's look at the data. 2011 73 days, 2012 74 days, in 2013 is 76 days. So you can easily say 2013 conduct IPL matches in 76 days. So this is the highest year. Okay, then month wise. Mostly IPL matches conduct by the summer holidays, summer times. Okay, in our public examinations or college and semester examinations is the IPL time. Yeah, is it right? Okay, in this graph is proven April and May month. April and May month. Okay, these 2 months are mostly conducted on the IPL matches. Okay, in year wise, month wise is okay. Which team is highest participate in team one? In IPL matches, we have the team one and team two. Which team is mostly highest in participate in team one? It means is the Mumbai Indians is mostly participate in team one. Okay, and with team two, mostly most of the time in team two, Royal Challengers Bangalore (RCB) is the team two. Okay, in team one team two whatever it may be are winners in the what they are got which result type. Okay, which type of result got mostly in team one team two in winners team etc. Okay, most of the times they are got the normal type of result. Okay, in team one is the normal type of result, then team two is the normal type of result, in winner team one's also got the normal type of the result. Okay, Let's look at the percentage graph. Most of the time normal graph, normal result is got it. Okay. Okay, result type is okay, which years is okay, which month is okay, this all the things okay. Which team is the best team of the IPL team, IPL matches? Okay, here I use the group my method. This group my method allow with the season and winner in value counts. Okay, suppose 2008 Rajasthan Royals 13 times winning, Mumbai Indians 7 times winnings, and again 2019 Rajasthan Royals is a 5 times winning. Okay, along with this data, I create a new data frame. This data frame name is a win season df. Okay, this data frame name is a win season. Okay, this data frame is very helpful for my visualization because I create a new data frame in a column here, uh, team wins. Okay, here means suppose if 2008 my team is a Mumbai Indians. This is 7 time achieved. In 2008 RCB is a 8 time achieved, and CSK in 3 time achieved. And 2009 Mumbai Indians 20 times, RCB 2 times. In 2014 Mumbai Indians 7 times, CSK 2 times. Okay, in this graph Mumbai Indians 1, 2, 3. So and CSK is a 1, 2, RCB 1, 2. Okay, most of the time is a MI team. That means Mumbai Indians team is a achieve. Okay, Mumbai Indians is a highly achieved. Okay, let's look at this. Let's look at the graph. One minute. Mumbai Indians 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, Chennai Super King 1, 2, 3. So most of the time Mumbai Indians is a highly achieved. Okay, Mumbai Indians is a highly achieved. Okay, look at this diagram. I mean, look at this visualization. Mumbai Indians is a highly achieved. So you can easily say Mumbai Indians is a good successful team of the IPL matches. Okay, team is okay. And who is the top players? Here I can use the plotly method in value counts. In my X bar is the name of the players. Y bar is the number of matches is participate are played. In this graph says Chris Gayle is the top player. He is the good player of the IPL, followed by the Sharma, Dhoni, Pradhan, etc. etc. Okay, so easily you can say Chris Gayle is the topmost player. In this figure, you can figure out of the top 5 Indian players in top 10 players. Okay, 5 Indian players. Okay, which venue that hosted the maximum number of matches? Okay, my good team is a Mumbai Indian team is a good team. Okay, Krish Gayle is the top player is okay. Most of the venue, that means which venue that hosted the maximum number of matches. You can easily say similar method. I create your new data frame venue matches. In venue means suppose if with stadium name, and matches means number of the matches is conducted in that place. Okay, in this graph says Eden Gardens is a most highly hosted in a matches. Okay, followed by Stivankly Stadium. Okay, venue is okay. Which city is mostly hosted on the IPL matches? Okay, this is the area plot in plotly graph. Okay, for example, Durban 15 times is hosted, Pune 38 times, and Delhi 74 times. Hyderabad is 64 times, and let's look at the Mumbai. Mumbai is a 101 time. So you can easily say Mumbai is a highly hosted IPL matches. Okay, highly hosted in IPL matches. Okay, The team that won the most number of toss. Which team is the most number of toss? You can let's look at the Seaborn library. My X bar is a win, Y bar is a team name, and Mumbai Indians is a highly most number of toss. Okay, followed by Kolkata Knight Riders, Chennai Super Kings, Royal Challenge Bangalore, etc. Okay, okay, it's my team. Where my Mumbai Indians team is a highly, that means a successful team. Gaili is a more successful player, and Mumbai is a venue places. This all the things is okay. Which team is the highest run and wickets? Okay, here I use simple method. That means IDX max. This IDX max method, which ID is a maximum value, output. Okay, along with this ID, this output, you can say easily find out which team is the highest run. For example, suppose my highest run is 43. I pass the 43 through the ILOC method. I can find out Mumbai Indians is the highest runs, and find out the highest wickets. That means highest wickets. Kolkata Knight Riders is the highest wickets. Okay, you can easily find out this all the things. Okay, along with this project, you can easily summarize in IPL matches from 2008 to 2019. In 2013, 76 day conduct the matches. Most of the March and April month host the IPL matches, and Mumbai City, mostly Mumbai City is a host the matches. Okay, in look at venue, Eden Garden venue is the host the matches. Okay, who is the top player? That who is the best player of the in IPL is a Chris Gayle is the best player of the IPL. Okay, my player is a Grace Kelly is okay. Venue okay. In city is okay. Month year is it okay. Which team is the successful team in IPL from 2008 to 2019? You can easily say Mumbai Indians is a best successful team of the IPL matches from 2008 to 2019. These all the things are proved from this project. Okay. Thank you.